In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on VirtualBox using Windows 11 24H2. Whether you're new to Linux or just want to test out Ubuntu, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have the following: VirtualBox installed on your Windows 24H2 machine, Ubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO file downloaded from the official Ubuntu website. Links are in the description below. First, open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed it yet, download and install it from the official VirtualBox website. Click on New to create a new virtual machine. Enter the name as Ubuntu 24.04. Select Linux as the type. For version, choose Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Next. Allocate at least 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM for better performance, and then 2 processors. Click Next. Create a virtual hard disk now. I recommend at least 25 GB of storage. Click Next. Click Finish. With the virtual machine created, select it and click on Settings. Under General, click on Advanced tab. Here choose Bidirectional. Again, do the same on this drag and drop option. Next, go to Storage. Click on Empty, and then the disk icon to choose a virtual disk file. Select the Ubuntu ISO you downloaded. Click on OK. Start the virtual machine. You'll see the Ubuntu boot menu. Select Try or Install Ubuntu. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Here click on Install Ubuntu option. Choose your language and click on Next. Click on Next. Select Keyboard Layout and click Next. If you have internet, connect to it and click Next. But if you don't have, just click on Do Not Connect to Internet option. Click Next. Here click on Install Ubuntu option to continue. Here, if you have internet, check all these 2 options and then click on Next. When you reach installation type, select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Don't worry, this only affects the virtual disk. Enter your user's name and password. Click on Next to continue. Select your time zone and click Next. Then click on Install option. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to restart. Hit Enter when prompted to remove the installation medium. Your virtual machine will now boot into Ubuntu 24.04 for LTS. Log in with your credentials and you're ready to explore. Okay. Now to make full screen for this Ubuntu operating system, all what you have to do is turn off this Ubuntu first. Here, click on Settings. Click on Display, then under Video Memory, increase this to the 128 MB. Click on OK, and then start up the operating system again. Now click on Devices option. Click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. Now enter this code and make sure you connected to the internet. Sudo apt get install bzip2. Press Enter on your keyboard. Enter your password and hit Enter. This will start to download the necessary files for making the full screen on your virtual machine. Done. Again, right-click and then select Open Terminal. Here type in ls and then hit Enter. Type in this code and then hit Enter. This will start to install the graphics drivers for Ubuntu. Done. Now restart the operating system. Now click on View. Then select Full Screen. And that's it. You now have Ubuntu 24.04 LTS running on VirtualBox. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.